Odinaka, I'm sorry. Please, don't be mad at me. Be cool.
Tell me one good reason why I shouldn't be mad at you. Eh? What have I done to you? Why are you suffering me like this, eh?
Odinaka, I said I'm sorry. I've been pleading. I'm sorry. Please.
I'm sorry every time. You keep telling me I'm sorry. Eh? I am also a human being with flesh and blood. Eh? You call yourself my girlfriend, nothing is happening.
What matters is that I love you. And you know it. I love you from the bottom of my heart.
You love me?
You know that.
Stop deceiving yourself. You keep telling me you love me. Yet you refuse me from touching you. Is that love? Huh? What kind of love is that now? I'm also a man now. You need to consider.
Why are you in a hurry to do this? What if I get pregnant? Odin, let's wait until we get married. We'll have all the time in the world to do this. Please.
Well, I've heard you, okay? You said you get married, so I have something to do. So, later we'll talk about it. We'll talk about the marriage, okay?
You won't see me.
I will see you next time now. I'm busy. I want to do something, okay? I'll see you. It's alright. Push yourself. Just... No, don't feel bad, right? I know I have nothing against you.
I will come tomorrow.
You will come tomorrow, as if you are coming for something good.
Oh, Chimo, yeah, God, it's because. So, wonders shall never end in this world. So, she has been starving you all this while. Eh, what?
Wait, you mean you were here listening to our conversation?
I heard everything you said. I heard it. Oh, shame on you, Odinaka. Shame on you. So you rejected me because of that Ochako Maka. Okwaya? Someone that will not even let you touch her. Just look at your life. Odinaka, have you ever asked me for it and I refused? I was ready to give it to you anyhow, anywhere, of your choice. But because you do not have sense, you rejected me. You refused. Now look at you. Just look at you. You have reduced yourself to nothing in this village.
Ebere, enough. Leave my house. Come on, leave my house.
I will go. I will go. But you will wait. You will wait for her until you get married to her. That is, if you will be the one to marry her. I will go.
Blame on Martin. Give me this thing. She will not. Even if it's small, she will not. Huh?
She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict. She's hot and hot.
So up until now, my son is not back. Let it not be that this boy has started seeing another woman. Because nothing on earth will make him not to marry Chief Oranugo's daughter. Have you called him?
Well, I have been calling him, but he's not picking.
Zara, there's this feelings I'm having inside of me. I don't want to believe it. Hey.
What is it?
Let it not be that your brother has started seeing another woman.
Oh, mother, please. It's not possible. I know what my brother can do. It's not possible.
So, who is this Masinachi of a person?
But I think I have an idea. Yes. Recently, my brother has been troubled ever since he knocked that girl down and ran away from the hospital.
Keep talking, I'm listening.
Mother, I'm suspecting that's where he went to when he remembered the girl's name.
So how were you able to gather this information?
When I tried calling him, I now thought about it. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
I think you're right. You're right.
She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict. She's hot as fire.
Uncle, where is my mother?
Who are you asking where is your mother? Biao, where have you been?
I went on an errand.
Masinachubu, you went on an errand since. You don't just come in now. And you are asking me, Uncle, where is my mother?
Mom, are you okay? Are you okay?
Sister, is this not the young man who knocked Masinachubu down, almost killed her, and ran away from the hospital?
He's the one. But he saved my life today.
She needs enough rest.
What is he doing here?
It's Bajijo.
What are you doing here?
Let me sit.
Ask your mother. Ask her.
Let me sit. He saved my life.
Our visitor today, he ran away from the hospital. Masinachubu, go and bring chair. Go and bring chair for him.
That was a big coincidence. My mind is now at rest, having right my wrong. What a poor family. They are good people. It's time to think about my traditional marriage. But
Yeah, I'm back. How are you?
I'm fine. I can see you visited your wife today.
Not really. I went somewhere else.
Okay. I was just thinking you visited in Masinachi.
What did you say now?
Masinachi.
Who is a Masinachi?
I should be the one asking you that.
So, how did you know about her? Don't tell me you've been following me.
No, not at all. I haven't, but I've been watching you. Yes. You remember that name this morning and you rushed to go see her at the hospital. Am I right?
Well, yes, I went to see her happy to apologize for what I did in the hospital yesterday. That was it.
I understand. You're welcome, Naija. Welcome, okay?
This love I'm
She acts like a dictator all the time.
never lose yourself. Be kind, be love.
I guess what to do.
This love I got up life. This love I got up life. This love I got up life.
Aha! Here comes the biggest and the highest man snatcher I have ever seen in my entire life. So we finally meet. Hey.
Are you in any way talking to me?
Of course I am talking to you. Or are you no longer Masinachi? Have you now become Njosinachi?
What exactly do you want?
Brilliant question. Good question. I want you to stay away from Odinaka. Yes, stay away from him. He is not meant for you. Neither are you meant for him. Do you understand?
It seems like you have lost your senses. Well, if you want Odinaka, you can have him. Since you're the one who is meant for him, by all means, my dear friend, you can have him. And do not stop me next time because...
Hey, my friend, I am not done talking to you. You do not walk out when I speak. Do you understand?
Get out of my way.
Oh,
And now,
and if I do not get out of your way, what would you do?
do not dare me this hot afternoon. Don't!
If you think you are good enough for Odinaka, why are you afraid of letting him touch you? Why are you afraid of getting pregnant for him? Are you not a fool? You bastard. Who on earth will claim to be in love with someone and not want to get pregnant for the man? You are a fool, yes, and a bastard. I warn you for the very last time. Stay stay away from Odinaka. I will not warn you again.
This love will go by hati. Akwa bika nekiri. Obi sari sari. Oyo bi adi ocha. Obi sari sari. Oyo wele bi madu konacha. Be understanding.
If you think you are good enough for Odinaka, why are you afraid of letting him touch you? Why are you afraid of getting pregnant for him? Are you not a fool? You bastard. I warn you for the very last time. Stay away from Odinaka.
How did she know that Odinaka has not touched me? That I am afraid of getting pregnant? Now, she called me a bastard. My mother promised to tell me who my father is when I have come of age. What is she still waiting for?
Master, are you done with fetching water?
Uncle, I'm tired.
Hey! You are tired? Why would you not be tired now, lazy bones? Why? God, I just wonder the kind of man that made my sister that you are the end product, for crying out loud. Where did your own laziness come from? My sister is not lazy. Look at me. Do I look like a lazy person to you? Am I lazy? Where did your own laziness come from? Machuku, where?
Uncle, do you know how many times I've been to that borehole? Do you know how many times I've gone to that borehole and back?
Ubah, tell me, Kowa. Tell me how many times you have gone. Look, Biko, can you really say Biko? Just continue fetching water. You can see that I'm sweating. So I bet I sweat. Please, feel this then. I bet I sweat. Please, quick, do that. Please. Do it now. Where did your laziness come from now? I've said this over and over. Please, be fast.
What does he mean by the man that met with my mother?
Be understanding.
Lucy, what are you doing?
Dad.
So you are still doing this? You should be ashamed of yourself. What do you gain by trying to ruin your own life?
Dad, it's not what you think, Dad.
I am disappointed in you. Is this how you're going to marry the prince? Look, the next time I see you with this, I'm going to call off your marriage with the prince. And I'm going to hand you over to the drug enforcement agency. Rubbish.
She's a drugger. She's a drugger.
Shit. I thought I locked the door. Sorry, Dad. Just once. Once more.
I don't know what I have done to Uncle in this house. I don't know what I've done to him.
What happened?
I don't like the way he spoke to me this afternoon. The next time he talks to me like that, I will be forced to talk back at him. Besides, there is this comment he made and I am yet to understand the comment.
What comment?
That I am lazy.
And laziness is not in their family. That he doesn't know the kind of man that met you.
He said that.
Oh yes, he did, and I heard him loud and clear.
What is wrong with him? Eh? Why would an elder like him say such a thing to you? Don't worry, he will come and meet me here. Let him come, I'll be waiting for him.
Mana Mama, what does he even mean by that?
Just don't mind him. That's the way he will be vomiting rubbish. Let him come, I'm waiting.
Anyway, I have said my own. The next time he talks to me in that manner, I will talk back at him and damn the consequences. No. I am bad-mouthed. He should be aware.
Hey, this is strange. He really offended you. Let him come back.
Where is Mercy now? Could she be now? She said she's close. Mercy? What is it?
Ebere stopped me this afternoon and she threatened me. She said too many things to me. All sorts of rubbish.
Ebere threatened you?
Oh yes, she did. And she said some things which stunned me. And I've been wondering, how come she knew about these things?
What did she tell you?
She boasted that I am not woman enough for you. And that is the reason I am scared of you touching me. Then again, she said I am also scared of getting pregnant for you. I need to know, how come she knew about all this information? Who has been feeding her? Who has been telling her things? Smiling.
I am sorry. I am so sorry about that. What you said reminded me what happened the day you came to my house.
What happened? Speak!
Well, Ebere hid at the backyard of my house and she was listening to all of our conversations that day. But I gave her serious warning never to try such a thing in her entire life.
Why did you tell me about it?
Because I didn't find it necessary. That's why I didn't tell you. I'm sorry, I want her not to try that. Please. I'm sorry. Mercy, please. Mercy, I'm sorry. Mercy, I am sorry. But I have warned her never to try such a thing in her life. Please, I am sorry. Mercy. Lucy! Lucy! Is anyone home? Lucy!
She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict. She's hot as
What? Lucy is on hard drugs. This is unbelievable. How does she think she can marry Prince Udona with this kind of lifestyle? Look at her. With all her pride. A second-degree hold at my foot. Lucy, this is where your downfall starts.
Lucy!
She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict. She's hot and cold. Oh, on the weather is
Udonna is here. Should I pick the call and tell him to come in?
Dad, where are you?
She's not taking calls.
You should stop calling before she wakes up.
Kedu ife mmelụ ndị mmadụ ji akpụlụ m n'ọnụ? Kedu ife mmelụ ndị mmadụ ji akpụlụ m n'ọnụ? Ọ bụ mụ bụ mbụ na-enwere ikwu, ọ bụ mụ bụ mbụ na-enwere ibe. Anya nke ole ma ole, anya nke ole ma ole, agwa ogbu ibu ugbu a dị. Anya nke ole ma ole, akwa ogbenye dịbụ mbụ adị. Akụ ebube akụ ebube, akụ ebube akụ ebube. Kedu ife melụ mmadụ ji akpụlụ m n'ọnụ? Oh, my sister, life is good. Freedom from the troubles of life is good. Very, very good, my sister. My lovely sister.
No.
Thank you, my lovely sister.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my lovely sister. Look at your daughter. I want you to teach her. Let her be industrious, my sister.
Eh? Did I tell you that my daughter is lazy? Eh?
Ikuro, you didn't say that. Mama, I know. She is not industrious like you. She is lazy like your father.
Bia, Ozoj, you have said enough. My daughter has told me the nonsense you vomited in my absence.
So, what nonsense did I vomit? Gossip. Opposite for the night. That is the only thing you are good at. Gossip.
Leave my daughter alone. Whether she takes after me or any other person is none of your business.
She took after her father because I know that laziness and Dikeh is not in our body, it's not in our family.
Just hold it there. What's this? Mind the kind of words you say in front of my daughter.
Are you?
I'm warning you. I'm warning you.
Now, Chelo, you are warning me also. Now, in my house. Is it because that I decided to accommodate two of you to allow both of you to live here with me, or what?
This is my father's house. I contributed to the building of this house. So I have equal rights here. Yes.
Ubah. My sister, I want you to warn her to be very, very careful of me. If not, I will just kick her out of this, my house.
What do you have?
I will kick her out.
See, if there is anyone that should be kicked out of this house, it is you. Look at you. Getting old. Until now, you have not married. Eh?
Yes, I am not married. Is not because I am not married, but I am still better than you who went to the city. 20 years. You came back with unwanted pregnancy. This is the product.
Take this nonsense again. I will not take this nonsense again from him. I will not. I want to know about my beginning. I want to know who I am. I am old enough to know about myself, Mama. People have been calling me bastards here and there, and I cannot take it anymore. I want to know who I am.
Listen. I don't know how I'm going to start telling this story. I don't know what to say to you. I don't know how to start.
Mama, start from anywhere. Start anywhere. Start anywhere. I will listen.
It all started 25 years ago. I was doing well as a hairstylist until I met him.
Since you don't remember me.
No way. I can't remember meeting with you.
I was in the salon last week and I lost my direction and you gave me the right direction.
Oh, hold on a bit. Were you the guy?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I remembered now.
Wow. So what's a beautiful girl like you doing on that?
Oh, thanks for your care. I'm actually waiting for my cab.
A cab? Come on. Can you grant me the favor of being the cab man for today?
Oh, you can't be serious.
It's just today.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm very serious.
Fine, if you insist.
Wow.
Thank you very much. I really do enjoy the accent today.
Okay. Tomorrow is my friend's birthday. I don't know, would you like to come with me to the party?
I can't say for now, but just give me a call tomorrow first.
Okay, Teresa. But can I tell you something?
Sure, you go ahead, I'm with you.
I can no longer hide my feelings for some time now. I don't know, the fact is that I'm in love with you. I don't know. Will you marry me?
Oh, God. It's just a few weeks ago we met. Don't you think it's too early to ask me of marriage? Besides, you don't even know anything about me. And I don't even know you too well, too.
My dear, that is not a problem. What matters is true love. Okay? I find out that I can't do anything without you. Please marry me.
Okay, can we just leave this conversation for now, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
But I just wanted to bear it in mind that I really like you. Please don't disappoint me.
Noted, I've heard you. Can we now go?
Alright.
Yeah, Udoka, please can I see you now? Yes, now, it's very urgent. Yes. At the usual spot now. I'm already there. Okay, please hurry.
Oh my God, I slept with him. What have I done to myself? He really laid me. I was drunk last night. He must have taken advantage of me. Why did I accept to go to the party with him? I have ruined my life.
We get confused. It might not be done all you, but there you confusing Chinenye.
Baby, you sounded worried on the phone. What's the problem? Talk to me.
How was I supposed to know that you would do this to me?
You still haven't said anything. How will I know what you're talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. You don't know, right? Take it. This is what I'm talking about.
Is this for real?
Are you asking me or you're asking the lady?
Come, Teresa. If this is a joke, just stop it. It's not funny. I don't find it funny.
What joke? What joke are you talking about? I am pregnant for you and you're here making jest about it.
I know, it's okay. That's not the problem, okay? I will take care of it.
Take care of what?
Like, I'll marry you. Yeah, I will. I'll marry you. Okay? That's not a problem. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. Come on, smile. Smile for me. Come on, let's go.
And that was the last time I saw or heard anything about him.
What happened to him?
Nothing. I was told that he was transferred to Ibadan and he had to leave immediately. I tried everything I could to get in contact with him, but his phone was switched off.
Meaning he must have changed his line just so you don't reach him.
So I thought. I was kept in the dark. I did not know what to do.
Did you not know any of his relations?
Nobody except him. 2 months after, I had to leave Lagos to come home. I didn't want my colleagues or people to know what happened to me. Since then, I've been here in my father's house.
That man is wicked. He is wicked. He's wicked.
That is why I've been warning you to stay away from men. A lot of them don't have conscience. A lot of them are so wicked. Since then, suitors have been coming. But I was so scared. I was afraid to accept any of them because of my past.
That wasn't the best. That wasn't the best option for you or the best decision. Besides, it did not change anything.
That's why I've been praying and begging God to protect you and guide you so that you will not make the kind of mistake I made.
Oh, it's okay. I promise you I will not make the same mistake.
Oh, Nkoli, how are you? Did she come with you?
Oh no, I was just passing by, so I decided to drop by and greet you.
Nice. That's very nice of you. You can have a seat. Let me offer you something at least.
Thank you. I'm in a hurry actually.
That's just a drink. Okay, let's have it. Oh.
Greetings, my princess.
Zara, meet Nkoli. This is friend.
You're welcome.
Okay, princess. I should take my leave now.
So soon? Okay, thanks for coming. Alright, bye.
sorry.
Who was that?
Udo said she's Lucy's friend. This is the first time I've seen her.
What was she doing here?
I don't know.
Your brother has to be very careful. Especially now that his traditional marriage is around the corner.
But I want to ask you a question.
What is that?
Do you think Udo's marriage with Lucy will work?
Why do you ask?
I just want to know your opinion.
Of course. Of course it will work. Which is why we are supporting them.
Mother, I found something lately about Lucy. Lucy is so proud and selfish. Yes. I don't think it will work.
Shh. It will. Do not allow your father to hear this, because he's not going to be happy. Let me tell you something, my daughter. No one is perfect in life. Believe me, Lucy is going to make a good wife. Oh, yes. I'm inside.
That is why I've been warning you to stay away from men. A lot of them don't have conscience. A lot of them are so wicked. You've been like this since I came back. What is troubling you?
Nothing, Mama. I'm fine.
Let's go inside.
Mama, I feel better here. I'm enjoying the fresh air, the serene, everything. I just want to be left alone.
Tell me what the problem is.
Mama, I'm fine. I'm very well.
Pepe.
Where is that hand coming from?
I think it's here.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
How are your people?
Everyone is fine, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mama, please, I'm sorry I haven't stopped by to know how Masa is faring.
She's better now.
You can see.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, 1 minute.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, one more thing. Mama, please, I want you to have this in case you want to buy anything to add to this one, sir.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Hey, stop it.
What is it? Odinaka, what is it?
You're asking me what is it?
What do you want?
Well, let me make it clear for you. Let it be the last time that you stop Masinachi on her way. Wait, you are laughing.
I am laughing, and I will laugh at you again until you have a sense that is matchable with your heart. Where would you even have sense in this your thick skull? You think it's by being tall? You think it's by being you think it's by being tall? Yes, I am insulting you, and I will insult you again and again until you have a sense that is matchable with your heart. Just hold on, wait a minute. You actually stopped me just to warn me to stay away from Masinachi. Okwaya?
I will not warn you again.
Are you not a fool? Are you not a fool? I am calling you a fool because I lack words to use. I wish I had a name to qualify your stupidity. But unfortunately, I do not have. Stop me again and tell me this nonsense. Then I will teach you what it means to have sense.
So you have the mind to insult me because I give a simple instruction not to go close to Masinachi, right?
Odinaka, what do you want to do? You want to beat me up? Ngani, beat me up! Odinaka, beat me up! Oh.
Let me let the sleeping dog lie. Next time if you try such a thing, this will happen to you.
Be understanding. Never lose yourself. Be kind, be loved. I cannot be gonna judge. I cannot be gonna judge. This love I got go blind. Makabura feature gonna man.
You like it?
Yeah. This is nice.
Why did you bring those items?
Because I'm trying to make up for what I did to you.
Haven't you done enough? I mean, you refunded the hospital bills we had paid, apologized to my mother and I. You also saved my mother's life. Are those not enough?
All of that is not in any way compared to your life, Masinachi.
Now, that brings me to this question. Why did you hit me with your car? Because I remember I was on the right track.
I lost control of the steering wheel.
And you want me to believe that? It's a lie. I remember everything that happened that day before I was hit. You were lost in thoughts before you lost control.
She's right. I was thinking about my problem with Lucy.
You're not saying anything.
Yeah, you're right.
So, Odinaka, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Hi, good day. Good day. Mercy, can I see you?
Okay. Excuse me, please. Is that why you brought me?
Mercy, don't get too angry. Who is that man?
What is wrong? What is the matter? Why are you sounding like there's something wrong?
The very last time, who is that man?
Okay, fine. His name is Udonna. The man who hit me with his car.
The very man that abandoned you in the hospital. What is he doing here?
He just brought some food items for my mother and I. And then he gave my mother 50,000 naira. That's all.
Really? I got 50,000 naira.
Okay, fine. Come and say thank you for giving us 50,000.
Thank you for what? For food items at 50,000.
Odinaka. Odinaka. Odinaka.
Is everything alright?
I thought we were going for lunch. We don't know.
I don't know the nature of our discussion. But whatever it is, I believe we can discuss it here. We mustn't go to the fast food.
Well, Udonna, I want you to forget about Lucy. She's not whom your people think she is. You can't marry her.
Wait. If I'm not mistaken, Lucy is your best friend. So why did you choose to betray her?
Udonna, the fact that she's my best friend doesn't stop me from telling you the truth. Udonna, you're a good man and I don't want you to suffer. You can't marry Lucy.